Want to find hidden directories on websites like a real ethical hacker? In this video, I'll show you how to use DIRB, a powerful web fuzzing tool, to discover secret files and folders on any website. What is DIRB? DIRB is a command line tool used by cybersecurity professionals to brute force directories and files on web servers. It uses a word list to guess URLs that might not be linked anywhere publicly. How DIRB works. When you run DIRB with a target URL and a word list, it sends HTTP requests to the server, checking which directories and files exist based on the server's response. If it gets a 200 OK, bingo, that path exists. Let's jump into the terminal and see DIRB in action. I'll be using Kali Linux. As you can see, it has shown us the help menu, and now you can set options according to your needs. For now, I will type a normal command to see if it's working. For this, I will be using this command, DIRB http xtradeanexample.com. This command starts a basic scan. For now, I will stop this scanning here because it's taking too much time. You can also try yourself. Now let's move in to the next command. The next command is DIRB http://example.com/home/kali/desktop/wordlist.txt. Do not forget to mention the word list path. Check your word list path where your word list is located. Now let's move on to the next command. The third command is DIRB http://example.com-x.php.html.back. This command scans for specific file extensions. Now I will stop this scanning process because these types of scans take too much time to complete. You can try yourself. Now the fourth command is .dirb http://test.php.vulnweb.com-o-results.txt. This command saves result into a text file. Now let's stop this scan, and I will show you the output file generated by our command. This file will include all the output it scans for after complete scanning the server. As you can see, the command have saved the content in the file that we started scanning for. Legal warning, DIRB is powerful, but only use it on websites you own or have explicit permission to test. Unauthorized use is illegal and unethical. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more ethical hacking videos, and leave a comment if you want a video on GoBuster or DIRBuster next.